Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have here a kind of an oddball fan. This is a Breeze Sandhurst ceiling fan. I'm assuming this fan's from 2001 because there's no date sticker on this fan, but I know they made these fans in 2001, so that's why I'm assuming this one is from, but I'm most likely wrong, but you never know. It's in a beautiful textured white finish. Love these blade irons. These are 2-piece blade irons. That's the one piece, and the other piece is like that. These blades are reversible because that's plain white. With a beautiful faceplate. That's the main reason I got this fan, because the faceplate is absolutely beautiful. So here comes the excessively long downrod ball socket now. And there's no stickers on the motor housing at all, for whatever reason. Let me get my step stool so I can show you guys. Like there's no stickers on here indicating what this fan is. But the canopy is also textured white too, along with the downrod. Got this fan for 20 bucks. Which is quite a bit of money for this fan, considering it's a Harbor Breeze. I paid less for more vintage fans. Like I paid less for that Great End, and I paid less for that SMC. But only I paid $20 because it was inside of a box. And well, number one, I found it at my local Goodwill, obviously. But it was in some light box that was made for a light fixture. So I got curious inside. I opened the box, and there was a whole bunch of like racks and a whole bunch of like picture frames and stuff in it. But this fan was also in the box as well. All the stuff you see was in the box, but it was not put together for some odd reason. So the two-piece blade irons were not put together, so all the blade irons were dismembered. The motor housing was not put together for some reason, I don't know why. So I had to screw the motor housing back together. The ball socket was not attached to the downrod. Yeah, so it's kind of a weird story. I don't know who packaged a fan like this, because this whole fan, down to the last screws, were disassembled. I had to put everything back together. As you can see, this fan doesn't have a light kit because, sadly, inside the box was not the light kit. And I looked around for the light kit, but sadly, there was not a light kit. Got a Harbor Breeze pull chain fob right there. I'm just gonna set the fan on low. It's a very rough pull chain. I don't like that. But the weird thing is, though, I got inside the bag, there was like bags of screws for the fan, mounting bracket, and all that. But there was a separate bag that had the light kit pieces to it. So it had the screws for like the light shades to be attached to. It had the second pull chain fob, because like I got two Harbor Breeze pull chain fobs along with this fan. I got the little finial nut that screws onto the light kit, but the light kit was nowhere to be seen. But yeah, I've never seen this fan before in my life. Like pretty much every fan I collect, I haven't seen. Well, I won't say every fan, but most fans. It's giving off a nice breeze though. Like I said, I just got this fan for the pottery work on the faceplate, which is absolutely stunning. If it was Verde, it'd be much better. I don't know if they made this fan in Verde. Like I said, it's quite an oddball fan. You never come across this fan nowadays. crank it to medium. I never had a fan with a textured finish. Well, nah, I probably wouldn't say that because my Hunter Vista, that's just a normal iron finish. It has like a rough feel to it, but it's not like textured like this. It's definitely moving some air. I can feel from back here. This fan can be flush mounted, but I decided to use a downrod since it came with it. If I did have the light kit for this fan, I would probably use it without the light kit. Because I've seen pictures of this fan with the light kit. It looks a little absurd. It definitely moves some air. And high, the capacitor is falling out. Pop that in there. It has like a little sticky tack paper on it, but of course those don't last long. So it does have a wobble. It has two capacitors in there, by the way, and a little clip-on attachments for the light kit, which I hate. I mean, they're convenient, but I was like using wire nuts instead. This fan does wobble, but it is blowing quite a bit of air. It's a very silent performer. Spin down. I'm not a big fan of Harbor Breeze fans. Like if I've seen one at like a Habitat store or like my local Goodwill, I probably want to pick it up. Unless it like came in a box or something that I absolutely wanted, like this fan. If it was like a Harbor Breeze Classic, I probably wouldn't pick it up. And like my other Harbor Breeze Classic I got from Goodwill, but that one came in the box, so that was an exception. But if it came like parts, I probably want to pick it up. But since this one since it's like an oddball and it looks absolutely amazing, I decided why not get it. But $20 though, kind of did overpay for this. I think I was surprised they didn't charge more for that. I mean, considering that this fan was mainly not supposed to be in where it was at, where I got it from Goodwill. Like I said, it came in a box full of other random stuff that was supposed to be sold. So I'm assuming this fan was not supposed to be in the box, but I don't know, there was a whole bunch of confusion when I tried to buy it. A whole bunch of workers saying it should be $20 in the box, or it shouldn't have been in the box, it should be something different, but oh, at the end of the day, I got it. But I overpaid or not. I didn't oil the bearings, so spin down is pretty decent on this fan, I'm not gonna lie. It does have the Harbor Breeze logo on the switch housing, I'm sorry. I most likely won't use this fan in the room, obviously because I don't have a light kit. I do have like a sag ceiling in my house. In this house, spin down's over right now. I'm gonna do a little talking now, but I do have like a little sag, like a little sloped ceiling in my stairwell. I can put this fan in there, but without a light, so I'm not going to. But yeah, that's the fan.